maybe thousands of them. Now, can you get my point, ma'am?
Yeah.
Maybe thousands of them to get this tiny thread. But if that would be wool,
it wouldn't be too strong.
it wouldn't be that strong.
It would just break.
Yeah.
But that's not the thinnest silk
No.
thread that
No.
you use. That's
No.
quite thick, isn't it?
Of course, this
Yes.
is so this is the after
is the
being
ve-
colored.
That's much fine. That feels finer.
Yeah.
This is finer.
Yeah.
Well, twisting takes long time, so twisting also makes the protein comes to surface, makes it softer, and then when it's colored, it becomes that much soft.
Take.
So I tell you something about the carpets which are being sold. I have met a lot of people. Some of them told me that I have purchased, for example, that size of silk carpet, and I asked them that how much you paid for it. They told me that $1,000, $1,500, $2,000. It's impossible. The lowest quality silk carpet in this size must be at least $10, $11, $12,000. So the carpets what they had purchased was not silk, just give it the same appearance, but not silk.
So is it polyester or something?
Not polyester, I'll show you. I'll show you. But we are selling the carpet as it is, so don't get me wrong. People who purchase those rugs, oh, they pay okay, the price is okay. But you know, just to convince you to purchase, I tell you that you're buying a silk carpet for a small amount. That's
Is the worm still in there, or is the worm
the worm is still in there. That.
Okay.
So when a cocoon is totally unrolled, that's the worm come out. The dead one.
Oh, right, okay.
But he's dead.
It is that.
Yeah.
It is not waste.
No.
It is being used in cosmetics.
Really? Is it?
Cosmetics. Would you like to hear what are they used for? Make a guess. Lipstick. We're talking about
They used to use
protein.
whale.
They only eat mulberry leaf, nothing else. They only eat mulberry leaf.
So it's red. Very red.
It's not red actually. Well, it's like this. That's the color. So they come out. We let them to come out. Some of them. They can continue their.
I was going to say, because if you do this to them all, you won't ever have any more silk.
Of course. That's why we have to let them leave. So they come out. So these one, broken ones, the ones which just hold on it, are
can't
waste,
use.
cannot be unraveled like this. That's why they have to be killed with the hot steam. This process not here.
Can you not use it at all somehow?
We can't.
Because it's not on a
Doesn't
continuous thread.
continuous, yes, doesn't continue like this. Yeah, broken all the time. That's why. This is the same way. This is the same.
Silk attached to you. You're collecting it.